What's good, TTF squad? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Nika here, back with another video. If you are new though, make sure you go subscribe right now. Also, please turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. So guys, I'm just gonna give y'all a quick update. I previously recorded a video, I would say maybe 3 weeks ago. Started on a project, guys. I don't know if you have been here with us. I mentioned that, we had some problems with everything that was going on in the bonus room. And so I figured, go ahead and just give you guys an update. So I previously recorded a video of me tearing the carpet up. I'm going to go ahead and replay that. Tomorrow is the day that the carpet installer is supposed to come in and install our carpet. Guys, I have big plans for this room. I mentioned that I wanted to turn it into an entertainment room, and yeah, so we're gonna do just that. So I'm super excited about that, guys. I did not what you would see in the video, I mentioned something about painting. I did not get to that, guys. I figured just at the moment we're just gonna leave it as is, and then maybe along some time, I don't know, who knows, down the road we'll eventually paint it or whatever, because there are like many projects that I want to get started on, y'all, and I'm trying to like do so much at once, which is not a good idea. So I'm just gonna slowly do one thing at a time. I'm going to play this video back. So much to see with me and my family. We've had our ups and downs. Can nothing stop us now? 'Cause we stay strong. The world can separate us. It's amazing we're blessed to be this beautiful family. This beautiful family. What's good, TTF squad? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure you go subscribe right now, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified when we post new videos. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm down here in the bonus room. This is the room, guys, I said that needs some work done to it and so on, blah 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 blah. Anyways, we done pulled out the carpet. I have this pattern down here, guys. So let me run it back a little bit. We had incident with the water heater that had busted and pretty much got all over the carpet. We tried to clean it. I used a carpet cleaner, guys, and went over it several times. It did not get like that mildew smell out, so which leads to us actually pulling out the carpet now, guys. So I have to go through that. The padding as well isn't as great, so we're just gonna go ahead and just pull everything up and just remove all the carpeting. So this is what it looks like right now. I got the pets right here, guys, because I don't want them running out the door. You see Molly. You got Molly in there chilling with the dog. Hey. So yes, y'all. So I'm just going to show y'all a little bit of me doing this work. I'm not going to like fully record. I'm going to turn on this AC right here because it is hot down here. That's a good thing about being down here as well. We get to have this AC. A new box right here is the AC, and it also comes with a remote, y'all. But the other one works so good. Uh-oh. I don't want to knock everything down, but the other one works so good over there. I don't know, we might not, but it's still good to have as backup. Guys, I forgot to tell y'all this. I do plan on painting this room, so before we put down new carpeting or whatever, I kind of just want to redo all these walls. You see it's like a tan color. I want to do maybe, I don't know, I kind of want to go with that gray look. We have that grayish, bluish look in our, kitchen and the living rooms and stuff. But I want to do like a lighter gray. In the middle of that, guys, we have Olivia's birthday coming up. And originally I wanted to do it here. We could still possibly do it here, depending on how fast we can get everything else done. But if not, this room don't necessarily have to be used. I just thought since it's a bonus room, it could be for, extra fun. All right, y'all, let me prop this camera up. Okay, so I'm going to finish doing this. I'm gonna slowly, do step by step, try to show you guys updates or whatever, and I'll get back to you. What's good, Templeton Family? It's your girl Nika here, back with another video. Guys, y'all know I previously recorded a video, and I also just made a video yesterday just telling you guys, giving you guys updates on, you know, everything that we had going with the flooring and stuff, the carpet. So guys, these people just left and they finished putting it in the carpet, so I want to show y'all first, you know, so you know you guys are special, but I want to go ahead and show y'all. So ooh, it's a whole lot different than the other one. The floor is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I love the smell of new carpet. Y'all, this is nice. Guys, like I said though, I'm gonna probably paint the walls and stuff a little later, but as of right now, we needed this carpet in. It feels so good right now just to walk through here. I haven't been down here much, guys, because of, you know, the flooring and stuff, and my kids couldn't come down here and play, so I think they're gonna be so excited when they get home, and also hubby's gonna be excited as well. So y'all, this is freaking nice. Y'all know what's coming up next. We have to pretty much just sort everything out now. I told you guys I'm gonna put the bar that is in the living room. And let me show y'all, because y'all probably don't even know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this is the bar. I'm planning to take this, and it's not attached to anything, so I'm planning to take this down there. It's a lot of junk in here because we had to move some stuff out of here, y'all. But I'm so excited that I get to finally, like, now organize this room exactly how I want it. So, mission accomplished. I'm so excited, so excited, so excited. And I tell y'all, that new carpet smell is like, oh my gosh, it's the best smell ever. So yes, I am going to update y'all even more on the rooms, because like I said, we're gonna do so much more. Right now I'm just super excited for what's to come next. So anyways, y'all stay tuned to the channel. Make sure y'all like this video, comment below, okay? And I will see y'all later. Bye. 3 days later. What's good, TTF squad? Welcome back to our channel. I'm finally about to show you the results of this room. I'm not gonna say finished because there are more things still to come. I'll tell y'all later on I want to paint and so on. And also I want to put up some pictures and stuff around here, okay? Because it looks kind of plain right now. Bruh. But anyways, all right, so I'm about to go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. Okay, guys. We were in here watching a movie last night, guys. Also, we had friends that came over the other day, so it's not as perfect. But I'm gonna show y'all still how clean it was the first time. Okay, so I'm just gonna come back here, stand in the corner. I am so cold right now. It's kind of chilly down here, so I'm gonna turn on the heat. So this is it, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm loving it. This is going to be great for our friends and family, you know, who comes over. So let me tell you guys about this table. This table is a dining, pool table, and ping pong table. It converts into those three things. And you see these stools here. These have storage in them. I'm not going to pull it out, guys, but you can store, actually I'm on the wrong side. You can store like you know, your pool sticks and everything in here. So on this side, we have just the ping pong paddle. Okay, let me check this side. This is where we got the pool. Oh my gosh. All right. So here are the pool sticks right here. And so yeah, this is a nice set, guys. We also have games over here. So we have Let's Go Fishing, Candyland, Don't Wait Daddy. I forgot Monopoly. Who forgets Monopoly? So this is the ping pong top right here, and you can just lay it up here. I'm gonna remove this exercise equipment, guys. I'm trying to get rid of this actually, but I'm gonna right now put this in storage. We have a recliner here. Hubby likes to sit in that. This is our whole living room suite, guys. You probably noticed it, but I'm just like kind of just want to go ahead and like get a brand new suit for our actual living room. So yeah, we decided just to bring this set down here and then start with a brand new set up there. Spend most of our time with that, guys. because I don't know, this has become my favorite room of the house, period. I did mention this, guys, about this whole AC unit that's still brand new. I'm going to put it in storage for right now. This one still works great. I'm going to turn on the heat because your girl is chilly. Hope you guys like this video, you know, just give you ideas on what to do for your extra room in the house. And guys, that I mentioned about bringing down here, this is the bar. So I might end up getting like another set of stools. This bar can fit maybe what, 4 chairs? I would say 4. We'll put 4. Okay, y'all, so sorry to hear maybe a little loud or whatever, but I'm gonna show you guys how this here is raised. So just turn it like this inside and mount it up like this. And there it is. So y'all, I forgot to freaking close out this video, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a fat thumbs up. If you like videos of us like remodeling, you know, such as your house and stuff like that, I would definitely do more vlogs on those, guys, because there are some times that, you know what I'm saying, I don't, you know, record it. So if you like more videos like that, guys, comment and, you know, give us a whole bunch of likes. Hey, let's get this video to 50 likes. And I would do more videos like this right here. Got my chicken cooking. I also have some green beans, and I have some creamy what's the chicken and broccoli. Yes, and the girls are down here watching TV. Hey girls. Hey. Did I turn off the heat? Yeah, so this is how it looks, y'all. It's getting dark outside. Girl, do not mess with the pool table. Don't do that.
You say no wake up daddy.
That's your favorite game?
Yeah.
She loves Don't Wake Up Daddy, y'all.
And also, I really want to play today.
She want to play Let's Go Fishing. Like, we played Candyland.
But
we haven't played Life yet. Yes, we're going to get the batteries for this. Guys, like this video, give it a fat thumbs up, and I will see y'all in another one. Peace.